If you missed the last outing of the budget builds, the boys conquered the infamous Waterfall Track, but the 4Runner had a major blowout on the way back to camp.
Well, that doesn't feel good.
Oh, the tail shaft's on the ground! What the
Who built the diff?
Oh my goodness!
Lucas and Matt are now back at producer Dave's place trying to get the runner fixed up so they can hit a few more local tracks.
This trip just keeps on giving.
Look at that.
Yeah. Yep. That's what happens.
The size of the teeth are alright.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing chipped teeth.
Hang on a minute.
Hang on a minute.
Have a look at the bearing cage for the pinion.
Yeah, that's the noise I was hearing. I said, I think
Let's turn
that's
it around this way for the camera.
It's pretty sad.
After inspecting the damage and some questionable diff building techniques,
Oh, that should be good to go.
the lads have headed into town to find some parts to rebuild the diff. Matt and the team from the 4Drive Zone in Bathurst are good mates and have let the boys loose in the workshop, which could be a bad idea.
So, my bit's done. Let's go and see what Matt's waffling around with.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's good to know. Thanks, mate. We'll see how we go. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Oh, here we go. And
Giving me the wrong bearings.
And they turn out to be the exact bearings we're looking for. Thanks, Matt.
This is like Wheeler Dealers, where I organise it in advance. No, it's way too big.
If you're ever in Bathurst and you're looking for a 4Drive store, you come and see Matt and his team at the 4Drive Zone. Shed. Zone. Yeah, Zone. 4Drive Zone.
Mick's got everything. Parts, washers, the whole kit and caboodle.
Everything we need. We should have just brought the runner in here.
100%. Dropped it off and went to the cafe for a coffee.
We'll be back in half hour. I want it fixed. So a company in Orange called Blatchley's, they have the bearings in stock. So that's a good thing for us. So I think we're going to do a bit of a road trip, head over there. That should get us everything to put this back together.
That's the guy looking very professional now. Doesn't know how to read a vernier gauge, but he's got one. Well, we got our things. Got myself a free hat. Let's go.
While Matt's off getting free hats and bearings, Lucas has hit up Super Cheap.
This is how you make your weekend super. You get all the bits you need to fix your car.
You see my new hat? They liked me. They said you can have a hat.
Or they wanted to cover it up because they're like, oh my god.
What, cover this up? You wouldn't want to cover that up.
There's like a mil or so difference. Thumbs up. We're talking millimetre precision here.
Yeah,
So-
and we're down in the tenths of millimetres and you measured it wrong. So
How did I measure it wrong? Explain.
you were holding your mouth the wrong way. That's why you got the 0.01 out.
Come on, you two, you like listening to an old married couple. Get this diff rebuilt so we can hit some tracks.
Well, there you go, guys. That diff is done. It is perfect. It's built to Mad Mate's perfect specifications, which means that it comes with, like all our diffs, a driveway warranty.
Is this thing going to last the distance? I don't know, but the best way to test it out is on Mount Panorama. Jump in there with the V8s, take the runner, take the Mad Mate built diff, and see if it blows to pieces.
Are we going racing?
Absolutely. You couldn't come to Bathurst and not do Mount Panorama.
With the diff now fixed, I guess, on the runner, it's time to properly test it out. And what better way than a lap around Mount Panorama?
Righto, mate. The budget builds, mate. Bathurst, 10K. Are you ready to rock and roll and get these bad boys around this ultimate racetrack right here?
Oh, 100%, mate. This is epic. This is absolutely epic. 60 k's an hour though, speed limited. So we've got to make sure we don't go over that.
Yeah, no, I'll be lucky to get to that, to be honest with you. I reckon I need a 2-minute head start.
No, it's a race. You don't give anybody a 2-minute head start.
Well, I must as well just sit here then, because this thing hasn't got the power to do 60 in some points, I reckon. I reckon give me 2 minutes, and I reckon you'll still pit me at the post.
Yeah, righto. All right, you've got 2 minutes. I've got a timer on my phone here, so I'm going to hit start, and you've got 2 minutes. I'm going to count you down. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I am flat to the floor, so I've taken off like a V8 2-cylinder car.
Hey, you're already up to 60k an hour. This is cheating.
Literally got 45 by this first corner. Oh, big straight here. I'll tell you when I hit 60. I am flat to the floor, man. Like, absolutely flat. That's nearly 50. Hang on. 50.
I want to go.
Flat to the boards. ECT power button is on, and I'm doing 50.
This is taking too long.
Oh, the little downhill here. I might hit 60. Hang on. Hold on. 55. 60. Yes.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Holy smokes, there's actually a hill here. I'm back to 40, slowing down. 35. Oh, hang on, I'm going back a gear.
Crikey.
Down to 30.
40k's around that corner.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
I'm up to 60k's an hour coming out of the first corner.
I'm coming up. I'm nearly at the top of the mountain. I'm doing 30, flat out.
Come on! Oh, crikey, girl! Hey!
Oh, I'm dying. 30. Hang on. Oh, we got 40 again. I'm just holding it flat to the boards.
I'm coming into that first big sharp corner on the uphill, doing 60k's an hour, mate.
Holy smokes. Like, this gives you a new perspective and, like, appreciation of this racetrack. This is steep ass. These guys do like 200 and something, don't they, down here?
I'm nearly power sliding through the corners at 50k an hour, man. It's tight.
I think I'm coming around the last corner now. I'm on Conrod Straight. I'm sitting on 60k's an hour, mate. This thing means business. I think I might get the win.
I told you were a cheat. I've just come on to Conrod Straight.
Oh, I'm just getting to the end of it, mate. I'm on the corner right at the end of the straight.
I'm filling up with blue smoke inside here. I'm coming in, I forget what they call this corner, this really sharp left-hander at the end of Conrod. 50k an hour through there. I've caught you, buddy, I've caught you.
Oh, you're on me tail. Holy smokes, I'm on 60.
I can't overtake you on the outside because it's a legal road.
Oh, man. Come on, Rono. I'll come around the corner. I am flat to the boards. Flat to the boards.
Nearly gotcha. Nearly gotcha.
55, 60. I'm 60 over the finish line.
Gained on you 2 minutes. That was fun.
Well done, lads. That's got to be one of the slowest, yet most legal laps of Bathurst I've ever seen. With the runner now fixed, it's time for the boys to head to one of Matt's favourite four-wheel drive tracks. And Matt's got a bit of a surprise lined up for Lucas that we reckon Lucas is not going to like all that much.
This is a mighty fine 4Runner. Mighty fine 4Runner.
It's taken some punishing, mate.
Yeah, it really has.
Yeah.
I'm driving it today. Have fun.
I didn't see that coming. Oh, come on.
That's right, Lucas. That means it's you and the Barbie Jeep.
I'm not excited about this, I can tell you.
That's all in the next episode of Mad Mates. Want to check it out? There's a link in the description below.